Morning, everyone. Let's reframe the Domino's earnings through the lens that has been driving this entire earnings season. Guidance matters more than the actual headline numbers. Because if you look at the quarter in isolation, Domino's was fine. EPS came in at 535, basically a slight miss, while revenue was at 1.54 billion, up single digit growth year over year, but ahead of expectations. US same store sales came in at 3.7% to show that demand is still there, especially on the value side of the consumer. So this wasn't a weak quarter. The market is not trading the past quarter, though. It's trading the forward trajectory. What investors are really parsing is margin pressure and cost structure. Higher labor and insurance costs weighed on same store profitability, and that feeds directly into forward earnings, even if the top line demand remains stable. In this environment, that matters more than a modest revenue beat. And this fits the broader pattern we've seen across earnings this cycle. Companies can beat on revenue, show stable demand, and still see muted or mixed reactions if the forward outlook is cautious or if margins look compressed. For Domino's specifically, the signal is that the consumer is still spending, but in a more value conscious way. Promotions, mix, and cost control are going to matter more going forward than pure sales growth. That shifts the conversation away from did they beat and toward can they protect margins over the next few quarters. And quite frankly, Domino's up 1,500% or so over the past 20 years has been doing a pretty good job of that, outperforming the S&P's nearly 500% gain over that same time horizon. Now zoom out. Let's think about the framework that traders have to work with for the rest of this week. Home Depot and Lowe's are next, and those reports will not be judged on the last quarter alone. The key will be guidance around housing linked demand, big ticket spending, and how management sees the consumer holding up with interest rates still elevated. And then you get to NVIDIA, which is the highest stakes guidance event on the calendar this week. At this point, NVIDIA's numbers will matter, but the forward commentary on AI demand, CapEx trends, and growth sustainability will matter far more for the broader tech complex and index sentiment. So the reality here, Domino's is not really about the pizza. It's about the earnings regime. We're in a market where backward looking beats are being heavily discounted. Forward guidance, margins, and cost outlook are doing the heavy lifting and price action. That's the lens with which you want to head into the Home Depot, Lowe's, and NVIDIA earnings over the next few days.